To do the test for the gas alarm with the panel. Okay, first of all, let's make the that's arming the system. Then we have the gas. Okay. Okay. Still the gas is here. I can smell the gas, but the gas alarm is not working. It's at the maximum. There's nothing. Almost 2 minutes, and the gas alarm is just above the oven, less than 50 centimeter, and I can smell the gas very well, but there is nothing. It doesn't work. Both of the devices are not working. Why? It seems there is an issue. The panel is alarmed. Still nothing. But oh, it's too much gas here, and I need to stop because there's too much gas. I will make it 3 minutes, then I will stop it. Yeah, 3 and 10 minutes and 10 seconds, 3 minutes and 10 seconds, but it's not working, and the position of the gas detector is less than 50 centimeter.